In this lesson, we're going to go over how to draw Spider-Man, the head of Spider-Man. I want this to be the easiest way you can possibly draw Spider-Man, so I tried to like make stuff even easier than the other lessons, okay? So if you're totally new, you have no idea how to draw, you've never picked up a pencil, you should be able to draw this, okay? I'm going to talk about it in really simple, easy shapes. So let's jump right into this lesson. Okay, so let's jump right into it, all right? Easiest way there is, so let's use very simple shapes. So oval, pretty much oval, not egg shape. Egg shape has a little bit of point at the end, at the top. You know what I mean? Maybe an upside down egg. So upside down egg would probably be the best. So, oopsie daisy. Let me use a different marker. This is kind of dying out a little bit. Ooh, how was your guys' day? Good? Oh my gosh, these markers. Don't forget to donate so I can get markers. Sorry. All right, cool. Curve right here and literally draw an upside down egg. Or just an oval, either way. Right there. You know what I mean by an upside down egg? So, yeah. Or an oval. Either one will work. Okay? Again, simple shapes. Gonna go from the middle-ish, kinda. Go to the left. And I'm gonna pull an arc over here. Curve. Go over here on this side. Curve. Over here on this side. Curve down. Curve down. Okay? Now, all you gotta do is connect it where they belong. Pull this guy down. Pull this guy down. All right? Easy, easy, easy. Okay, now, these two eyes right here, thicken them out. Even if you have pencil, thicken the line out just a bit. You don't have to do this. I just fully recommend it. Just thicken the line out. You know, because the eye is the window to the soul. You always want to, you know, go right to that. Even with Spider-Man, these big cartoonish eyes. All right, cool. Still there? All right, cool. Circle in the middle right here. Complete circle. And now, like a ray of sunshine, I'm gonna have lines, thin lines come from that. A little bit longer up here, and they're gonna go out this direction, but you know they're not gonna cross over it, right? They're going to, you're gonna kind of try to catch it from the other side. Line here, line here. Okay. And now you're gonna go over here and you're gonna pull an arc, or even just a straight line, but I'll pull an arc here, and I'm gonna do it over here. And it's going to be in a cylindrical circle pattern. Over here on this side, curve up, 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 up. Right on. And that's it. You got Spider-Man. That's like, in my opinion, the absolute easiest, bare essential way to draw Spider-Man. Super unbelievably easy. And then just grab a red marker and like just color in red, which we're gonna do, by the way. But don't forget, hit the subscribe button and click the bell notification. If what I do here is worth your time, please consider doing that. Basically what happens is when you subscribe and click the bell notification, it's gonna let you know on your feed. As you're scrolling your feed one day, it's gonna like let you know by showing a thumbnail. One of the 30 thumbnails on the page is gonna be mine. And you'll be able to see it, and you'll be able to learn that day, or you'll be able to, you know, to see if you want to learn what I'm drawing that day. I post 3 times a day. I post more than anybody I can think of, I think, in the art field at least. But thank you. I appreciate it. Amazing. Everybody's amazing here. And yeah, if you can hear me right now, say hi to me in the comment section. Stick around for the really quick color scheme. And that's it. Well, Should I color it right now? I was gonna speed it up, but you know what? I'm not gonna speed it up. I'm gonna speed it up. Talk to you later, guys. Stick around for the color. Later. Hey, for those of you that are a little bit more serious and you really want to kind of upgrade your art skill all around, I have these beginner art lessons here on my Skillshare. So the idea with this is that some people that, you know, for example, on YouTube, people just kind of want to draw what's in the video and just generally have a fun time. They're not always concerned about the little details and stuff about learning how to do this stuff, you know, long term. And I get that, that's fun. But for some people want to upgrade their art ability entirely, like all around, like they're serious about it. If that's you, go here. Like I said, there's programs here on even some of the same material. Like I said, it's just a lot more in depth. My eye drawing program is an hour as opposed to the video I have on YouTube, which is like 10 minutes, right? You can still learn from both, but like I said, if you really want more and you really want to make this part of your life, go here. I have same thing over here, how to draw a dragon head. I have anime, I have cartoons. There's categories for everything, and everything is for beginners. The other thing about this website is it's incredibly easy to watch it. This is like the Netflix of like drawing lessons. So you can go through the entire site, see everybody else's lessons. And normally the site costs like 30 to 40 bucks a month. Because you're watching this video right now, if you're still watching right now, you get it for free for at least a month. Like 30 days, that's a lot. But just what you have to do is go over here to the video, go down, first link in the description, the very, very first link. That gives you free access to this whole thing for 30 days. You just go over here, you click this thing, boom, and then you sign up. And it's super easy, and the cool part is you can just straight up cancel it before the 30 days is up, and you never pay a single thing. You never pay a cent, and you got all this learning from it. But yeah, like I said, that's an option for you guys. If you guys want to do it, absolutely go hit that up. And that's it. So talk to you later, and hopefully I'll catch you over there later. Thank you so much. You are amazing. Over here on the right, you're going to see my most recent upload, and on the top corner over here, you're going to see just another selection, another cool selection that has to do kind of with the subject of this video. And over here at the top, you can hit the subscribe to see a lot more. This is awesome.